Hello friends, welcome to Easy Apply. I will tell you 3 job opening in this video, and the first job opening is from Expedia company, and Expedia is looking for graduate software development engineer, and the job location is Gurgaon for this job. And this job is for 2020 or 2021 with a degree in technical subject like computer science or math, and available to start on January 24th 2022. It means if you are a fresher and if you are available to start January 24th of 2022, then you can apply for this job. And moderate proficiency in any of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Spring, MVC, JSON, XML, web services, and object-oriented design. Experience in agile, Scrum software development practice is beneficial. And this job is for engineering background student. And here you can I will put the apply link into the description box so that you can apply for this job easily. And I am going to tell you about second job opening, and the second job opening is from Eurofins is looking for associate QA tester engineer, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. It means the job location will be Bangalore or Karnataka. And you can apply by clicking I'm interested button in the website, and I will put the apply link into the description box. And the job title is associate QA tester engineer and reporting to manager. Reporting location Bangalore and working location will be Bangalore. Summary of position and the objectives: a smart test engineer required to work as Scrum team member in a testing role with manual testing skill and to deliver a high quality product. And use the development language JavaScript or PHP to automate easy test script to do this on the quality away. And the position objective like develop and support various product based on priority as per business requirement, maintain, modify, optimize, and extend exciting solution as a part of support and performance optimization projects if needed. And the qualification is for this job is engineering degree in computer science or MCA or any other bachelor degree with relevant experience with minimum 60% of aggregate. And experience requirement is 0 to 1 year of work experience as automation engineer, knowledge and experience in at least one language like JavaScript or Python, understand the requirement and write test case and perform manual testing on the application. This will, and the plus skill will be like as so strong knowledge experiences in test automation, JavaScript, and Python. And you can find this apply link into the description box. And I'm going to tell you about next job opening, and the next job opening is an internship from Intern Sala. This is a Python development internship in Gurgaon at GoMechanic company, and you can apply for this job if you are a fresher. And this is 3 month duration internship and 15,000 per month. This is the stipend of this internship, and apply by 30 September. Apply before 30 September to participate in this internship program. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And I'm telling you friends, I upload every day new videos and try to cover all new job opening. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Easy Apply to get regular update from new job opening and new recruitment process. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.